1985 one-ton dump truck, GMC. We sell on an online equipment auction at SextonAuctioneers.com. It's got a small block 350 in it. Has a new carburetor put on it. Wires, plugs, and distributor as well. All done in the last year. The owner states the transmission needs work. It's a turbo 400. He thinks it's either the torque converter or a clutch pack. He's a mechanic for a living, so he's got a good idea of what's wrong with it. He just doesn't have the time to fix it. That hydraulic cylinder under the bed has a small leak to it. Also raining right now, so he's used to haul gravel and to haul firewood with. Transmission quit on him last time he used it. Just gonna show the odometer, see how many miles are on it. Does that odometer work?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything about the truck?
No, not really, just the transmission.
Transmission needs work.
Yeah.
Thinks it's torque converter or clutch is in there. Check it out, SextonAuctioneers.com.